Hello everyone, today we're reviewing the Tracki Pro GPS tracker. Is this tracker really worth the money? Let's find out. The Tracki Pro is a GPS tracker designed for vehicles, assets, and valuable items. It's waterproof, has a strong magnet for easy attachment, and works worldwide with 4G coverage. The big selling point is the massive 10,000 mAh battery that lasts 2 to 12 months on a single charge. That's way longer than most trackers out there. This tracker works in over 180 countries using 4G, 3G, and 2G networks. It supports GPS, QZSS, GLONASS, and BDS satellite systems for accurate tracking. Plus, it uses Wi-Fi tracking when GPS signals are weak, like inside buildings. You get alerts for speed, geofencing, movement, and low battery through email, SMS, or the mobile app. The device is waterproof, rated IP67, so it can handle rain and tough conditions without extra protection. It comes with multiple ways to attach it, including a strong magnet, screws, or double-sided tape. Battery life is incredible, up to 7 months in battery save mode or 60 days with normal use. The tracking is super accurate, pinpointing locations down to a specific address. You can even see a full location history going back months. Setup is quick, about 5 minutes out of the box. You also get a lifetime warranty, which most other trackers don't offer. The mobile app is easy to use on both iPhone and Android. You need a monthly subscription. Plans start at $9.95 per month for the cellular data connection. Without it, the tracker won't work. Battery life drops fast if you set updates to every minute. It could die in less than a day. The device is a bit bulky compared to smaller trackers, so hiding it can be tricky in some spots. It needs good cell reception to work, so it might struggle in remote areas with no signal. The Tracki Pro costs around $80 to $100 for the device itself. Then you pay $9.95 per month for the basic plan, or up to $19.95 for more features. No activation fees, no cancellation fees, and it works worldwide. So, is the Tracki Pro worth it? If you need long battery life and worldwide tracking, absolutely. It's perfect for vehicles, equipment, and other valuables. The subscription is a downside, but the features and lifetime warranty make up for it. Just remember to set up reasonable update intervals to save battery. That's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.